Can you look there and say hello?
Hello.
You're stubborn. Who are you
Are you
stubborn with?
sick?
Your mom?
Yeah.
What's the matter?
No. Like Tata?
I'm not feeling
No.
good.
Like who?
What's bothering you?
The coughs.
Oh, you're not
The
even related
coughs.
to Stat, so can't be like him at all. Right?
Yeah, you're not allowed to be like him.